That is Nelson Oguya, a senior lecturer at the Nigerian Law School, talking to us about the legal implication of the Supreme Court judgment on the Anambra PDP leadership. Also, well, let's get the perspective of the man who is at the receiving end, the winner in this particular case. Mr. Ejike Oguebego was being confirmed as the authentic chairman of the People's Democratic Party in Anambra State. He joins us on the telephone now. Thank you so much, Mr. Oguebego, for joining us. It must be a great day for you, I perceive, knowing full well that you've been chasing this case for a long time coming. Tell us what you make of this particular outcome.
The Supreme Court has done what they should do. At least what the point is, in fact, I've been quoted this day. So I reaffirmed my position as the chairman of the party in Anambra State. And I have equally reaffirmed the candidacy of those that under my primaries, National House of Assembly members. All of them will small automatically. That's the position of the court.
Talk to us about what you make of the inference people are putting into this judgment. Does it affect any of the political office holders who are beneficiaries of the Ken Emekai leadership?
I have told you, the Supreme Court is very clear. Not just that I'm the chairman, but the list from my executive that was already published by INEC is the list that will be sworn in shortly.
But the argument is that the Supreme Court did not talk about this candidate or any list.
No, the Supreme Court reaffirmed the judgment of the Federal High Court. You remember the Federal High Court has already pronounced on this. When it went to Court of Appeal, the Court of Appeal simply gave judgment on technicality and said the Federal High Court has no jurisdiction. Now the entire judgment of the High Court has been restated. And there is a list. So I hope you get me.
Yeah, I can hear you. But tell me, what this means for you is that the people who did not stand election are going to be beneficiary of these offices. Is that what you're talking about?
No, there was a primaries. At the time of the primaries, the Federal High Court judgment was subsisting. And that is the judgment the Supreme Court has reaffirmed. The judgment is that it is only myself and the executive that can conduct the Congress, and that the caretaker that was being formed at that time has no value at all.